2020 saw unprecedented disruptions to lives and livelihood all across the world, and India was no exception, with industries showing immense resilience through innovative ways during the pandemic. And now India gradually making its way toward recovery. Growth sustainability in 2021 will depend on widespread vaccine deployment and effective government measures. Experts also foresee that there is likely to be pain in the short term, but the outlook in the medium term may improve significantly.
What we have missed in 2020, and from that perspective, there are three core areas emerged that will be basically different in 2021, and that's a good sign for all of us. There are three core areas, basically what we call the real economy. From an economic perspective, we will enter into the positive growth zone. And second, the optimism level will continue to rise. What do you mean for businesses? That will really increase the risk appetite of investors and hence the easy flow of credit. New investment could go up, which translates into the new business opportunity, which is really a need for this one. And I'm telling you, when we realign most of the supply chain, MSME in India is going to get a benefit. And looking at what's happening in the global supply chain, I think most of the companies going to put money in India, and MSME being 99%, more than 99% MSME, they're going to get a benefit. Our third expectation from new year will be that this pandemic will impact businesses, and it will continue to impact, but that impact will be asymmetric throughout 2021. If you talk about in 2021, there's one thing, it's a different, and this will be different especially from MSME perspective, because MSME have to learn and manage their business model. In fact, they change the business model from a reactive to proactive, manage their supply chain. So there's a concept of what you call the nearshoring. Now your vendor will be next door, your client will be maybe maximum at the same street, stuff like that. So that scenario will change, and that scenario will impact more of to MSME in terms of the planning, because they've never thought of in terms of putting the structure plan and the framework of this one. So there's more energy is going to put the framework and structure, and that structure and framework will ensure that they continue to flourish in 2021. So I think it's more of approach change in 2021. And that 2021 approach will change most of the business model for smaller companies. Our growth for GDP in 2021 is higher than what we initially thought of. But from a recovery perspective, our shape of recovery will be something what you call the V-shaped recovery, which is good sign. So I think anywhere between close to, in fact, 6.5 to 7% growth we are expecting for 2021. And in this case, I think MSME is going to be a net beneficiaries, because they were the extreme losers in 2020 from the finance side, the rest of the side. So I think we have a good base for them to grow in 2021.
The role of government policy measures and their effectiveness is the most important in determining the strength and pace of the revival of any economy. Thereby, the Budget 2021-22 is a critical event for the Indian economy, especially the small businesses.
I think this year budget is very critical, both for SMEs and startups. The Honorable Finance Minister has a task really cut out in terms of the sectors that have already gone down, and the budget technically should support that. And on the other side, there are sectors who have continued to do well during the pandemic. And how can those sectors continue to be pushed ahead and continue to help, the budget would help them grow? That is the balance that the Honorable Finance Minister really needs to get out of this budget. From an MSME perspective, very clearly, the sector is looking for liquidity. Although, and I'm not saying that the government has not done enough, I think The first package that the government announced for the MSME was a very good thought-through package. However, I still believe that most MSMEs are challenged currently with liquidity. And this comes on account of the fact that how can MSMEs get easier credit? What kind of fiscal reliefs can be given to MSMEs? And I believe that especially MSMEs in a certain sector need to be supported with some kind of kid glove attitude for some extended period. Could MSMEs get some GST reliefs, both in terms of rationalization of GST and possibly rates also? So those are some things that I believe on the MSME side, the government should look at in this current budget. On the startup side, fiscal support, if the Sarkar can give, that will be great. And the other is how can startups find it easier to drive investments, both on the capital side and also possibly on the debt side, getting some debt which is collateral free, just like MSMEs have. So those are a couple of things that come to my mind on the startup side.